This is 10859 Smoky Oak. So the layout for the driveway is a little bit different. You've got this big connected driveway space, which is nice. You've got lots of parking. This section, compared to the first property on Antler Ridge, has wider lot spaces. So you can see there's more space between the houses. And the houses are just a little bit wider versus a rectangle angle, if that makes any sense. So 2 car is here, 1 car is there. They both have epoxy. You have another glass and iron and wood door. Right off the entrance is your formal dining with the butler pantry. More art niche here at the entrance. And again here. This is a single story, coffered ceilings, the beam. All right, we have double ovens, gas cooktop with the vent hood, large breakfast area. Primary suite is here. Secondary bedrooms, your entrance. Butler pantry, pantry walk-in, and 1 car garage access. And I'll take you back there as well. Nice size pantry here. And then I'll show you this. You can see the epoxy here on the floor. There's attic access as well. All right. The countertops, in case you didn't notice, we've got 2 different stones. That is access to the patio. The paneling on the wall is really pretty here. We have a guest bath, powder, media room, and study, flex space. Now this has built-ins, but not a closet, and this first floor media here does not have a closet either. So I know we were thinking about converting one of these rooms so that would not have a built-in closet as it is. So you might have to do an armoire or some built-in cabinetry there instead. The other issue with converting one of these is there's a half powder bath here, but not a full bath. The full bath is down this hallway for the secondary bedroom. So let's check out the primary. The wood floor continues through. There is a door to the patio from the primary. You have the tray ceiling with crown molding. And we have this gray wood look tile in the primary bathroom. Split vanities with counter space and that large walk-in shower. You have the water closet. It is a French door entrance to the bathroom. And here is the closet, some shelving, good size space. Okay, now we'll head towards the secondary bedrooms. So this is a full bathroom. Bedroom 2. Closet. Another large closet here. Bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 has an ensuite bathroom. And then little counter space when you come in from the main garage with a large mud bench. And a large utility room with another storage closet. So lots of great storage here. And the 2-car garage. Okay, we'll head out to the patio with the pool. Beautiful covered space here, and they added a pergola. We have a gas stub for a built-in barbecue if you like. That is the door to the primary suite. And some nice landscaping around the beautiful pool. The water definitely drowns out any cars that are driving by on that street. So we're backing to the same street as the previous property. You don't see cars here. You're up higher than the road, so that's nice. It's private. Beautiful.